Hello, you're watching ERi-TV. Welcome to English News Broadcast. These are the top stories. Nationals in Mombasa celebrate Independence Day anniversary. Nathaniel Tesfatian wins stage 2 of Adriatica-Ionica race. Russia warns of hitting new targets. And Russian Foreign Minister forced to cancel Serbia visit. The local news. Eritrean nationals in the port city of Mombasa celebrated the Independence Day anniversary on June 4 with patriotic exile under the theme Independent Choice, Backbone of Our Pride. The nationals that participated at the celebratory event expressed conviction to strengthen organizational capacity and unity as well as participation in the national affairs. The festive event, in which a number of nationals took part, featured cultural and artistic programs. Eritrean road cyclist Nathaniel Tesfatian, member of the Italian cycling team Drone Hopper Androni Giocattoli, wins stage 2 of the Adriatica-Ionica race that took place yesterday in Italy. Nathaniel finished the 174.6-kilometer race in 4 hours, 12 minutes and 15 seconds. So far, Nathaniel stands second for the yellow jersey, fourth for general classification, first for King of the Mountains, and second for Hopefully Young Rider. According to reports, a number of Eritrean nationals were present at the place, waving the Eritrean flag to encourage Nathaniel Tesfatian. We have an announcement from the Ministry of Health. One patient has been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today at testing station at the Central region. Accordingly, the total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has risen to 9,768. The total number of recovered patients stands at 9,653, while the number of deaths stands 103. Minister of Health, Asmara, June 6, 2022. Now back with international news after a short break. Welcome back. The Russian President Vladimir Putin issued a new warning to the West against providing Ukraine with long-range missiles as it attacks Kiev. He said adding new army deliveries to Kiev are aimed at prolonging the conflict. The Russian leader also said that Moscow will draw the appropriate conclusions and will use its arms to strike at those targets which have not yet been hit, without specifying the targets. His remarks come as days after U.S. President Joe Biden announced the U.S. would send rocket systems that can strike into Russia, but a day later he had decided to provide Ukraine with more advanced rocket systems and ammunition without mentioning the systems by name. Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov described as unprecedented and moved by 3 Eastern European countries to block his plane from traveling to Serbia. He said he would instead invite his Serbian counterpart to visit him in Moscow, adding that the main thing is no one will be able to destroy relations with Serbia. Bulgaria, North Macedonia, and Montenegro closed their airspace to an unofficial plane that would have carried Moscow's top diplomat to Belgrade today. The Kremlin described that as a hostile action. Serbia's Interior Minister Alexander Vulin said he deeply regretted the obstruction of the visit of Lavrov, whom he described as a great and proven friend of Serbia. China has sent 3 astronauts on a 6-month-long mission to complete work on its permanent orbiting space station. This according to the China Manned Space Agency. The Changzhou 14 crew will spend 6 months on the Tiangong station, during which it will oversee the addition of 2 laboratory modules to join the main Tahin living space that was launched in April 2021. The space station, when completed by the year-end, will lay a significant milestone in China's 3-decade-long crewed space program, first approved in 1992. The space station is designed for a lifespan of at least 10 years. Reminder of the top stories. Nationals in Mombasa celebrate Independence Day anniversary. Now tonight, Swaziland wins stage 2 of the Antarctica Ionica race. Russia warns of hitting new targets. And Russian Foreign Minister forced to cancel Serbia visit. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.